how to fix Facebook keep loading on your Facebook account. Today guys, I have the solution of this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings and you will go directly to your settings of your phone, and you will open apps, and on apps you will search for Facebook app, as you see here, and you will open it like this. You will scroll down the screen also, and you go to storage, then you will go to the last clear data and click OK, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.